That's what I wanted. Exactly, direction track. Hi, and welcome back to another Bestestimes Reborn YouTube video. I am your host Brad, and I am using the DJI Neo to track me walking along. So this is in direction track, I mean, sorry. So it's doing exactly what I want it to do. I'm walking along, I can talk, and it's just following me. So we're going to turn, and it's following me. It's trying to get in front of me again. So we're going to walk over this way and see how well it picks up my audio as well, because it's supposed to have some sort of AI capabilities to stop the hearing the drone noise, like the propellers and that. So, okay, we're nearly on low battery. We're just going to do a little bit more just to try it out, just to see how well it picks me up. And with the different lighting, and I'm moving around a bit. Yeah, spinning around like this. You can see the actual drone, it's tilting. And it's keeping away from me just enough that it's showing my face, showing from my waist up. And just struggling with my head. If I stop for 3 seconds, it's supposed to stop by the settings. One thing I wish they put on this, and that's the ability to zoom a little bit, and a selfie timer. Yeah, a selfie timer would be cool. For photos, for video, they'll give you a couple of seconds before it starts videoing. Yeah, it'd be great. Just walking towards it. Now it's back on the follow. There's not much else I could do from here in this location, but sort of just stuck to that. Stuck to what I can do. Get it to follow me around. That way you'll get a bit of an idea of what it's like. And that. It's quite windy and it's handling. If you can actually see the drone, it's struggling, but it's keeping the gimbal very still. Very sturdy. It's quite impressive. You can hear, probably can hear the wind. It does it quite well. We'll go around this obstacle here, which is a big light pole, stadium light pole. Get the lighting a bit better. Notice that the lighting's a bit better now. I don't trick it, I'll spin around in a sec. Just turn around. Oh. Then it stopped. See? It's pretty good. Yeah, I just want it to follow me. There's probably a way to do it where if I'm walking this way, the camera's going like that. Like going backwards. I'm walking towards it. I'll play around with all that next time. See if I can find any way of doing it. There is a manual way of doing it. We can set all these different settings and it should fix any of that and be able to do it. There's the zigzags. See what it is. Type of things. I'm not going to go through the rugby pole. Rugby posts. Let's see how well it's handling what I'm doing. Of course, the screen recording stopped. But if I got any of the screen recording recorded, I'll put it on at the end so you got a bit of an idea of what it was doing. I'm going to get it to spin around me when I get the metal. Base spin around the metal. Pull the battery on this side of it. Once to finish up. It'd be nice they bought a longer life battery out for these. It does like 36 minutes with one battery instead of 6. It's 18 minutes normally. Alright, well I'm going to set it to circle. Okay, we're back again. I've charged this battery up. Got it go again. Got it tracking me, so I'm watching the drone camera rather than the phone. The phone's more checking out for the audio, going over to the other side of the field and then come back. So we've got the sunset behind me. It is now 5:57 p.m. Same date, same day. All that, Friday night, Friday afternoon, Friday evening, whatever you want to call it. Just to get more of an idea. Then I'll turn around and come back once I get from the other side. See how well it keeps me in shot. Hopefully it keeps me in shot really good. Try and keep eye contact with the drone. The drone's on an angle like that, keeping up to the wind and that. So we're over the other side. Okay, we'll turn back now. See if it comes around the front of me. Or is it just going to follow me from behind? No, it's just going to follow me from behind. It's not really doing it the other way like I would like it to. I'd like it to spin around and face me. No, thought it was back, still over the other side, but no, it's here. It's just behind me. See if I can get it. Yeah, if I turn around like this, I can get it to be in front of me again, hopefully. Come on, over here. Over here, champ. That's not bad though. The way it follows. Well, I can't run to do it. The wrong shoes on for that. Go flip flops. See what it's like in a bit of a low light with the sun in the wrong position too. Coming back this way. It's going to follow me from the side. I thought it was going to follow me from the side. No, let's work it out. I don't feel like it's going to hit me either. That's the cool thing about it. It's pretty good. Okay, we'll see if we can get it to go around. If I can get it to go back around this side. Follow me back the other direction. Not from behind. I think there's ways of setting it. No, it's following me quite good. I'm very impressed. Got the sun in my eyes this way, so you can sort of tell. Might be squinting a little bit. Yeah, if you learn how to do it, you can sort of keep it tracking when you turn. Like you just take your time, let it follow.
Low battery warning. Low battery. Return to home promptly. Landing.
See how it goes. I'm getting it to go right up. It's in manual control now. Yeah, it's not going to handle the sunset, that's alright. For $300 Australian, 100 something American, I think it still does pretty good. I think on these settings that this is about the highest I'm going to get it. It's the highest it'll get to now. It's getting up there. It's towards the sun. So I'm walking across with the drone. It's the other direction, this way, where it's facing. So I'll try and go across the field and see how well it shows me. Getting low light. I'm out of range of what it can see. I'll start getting it to come down now, because it'll get low on battery. So it's coming down now, slowly but surely. It's doing its thing, spinning around a little bit as it comes down. It'll be nice to get another go at the drone, but battery wise, stay in line with it. It comes down a fair bit. The nice cloud formations, we might actually show some of that on the way down. Get this way. Yeah, all directions, there's nice cloud formations. We might get some photos of that beforehand too. Nice if it did landscape photos, that'd be cool. Alright, photo time. Coming down with a bit of a spin, that's intentional. Pressing down and across just slightly. But hopefully by the time it gets down, it's done a 360. Yeah, I'm quite happy with this. That's great. Let me go up a bit. It's pretty fast. I'll get it to come straight towards me in a minute. There we go. Hasn't got obstacle avoidance for a lot of things, so you still got to be careful. You set to 6 meters the circle. No obstacle avoidance. We'll start recording when it does the full circle. It's pretty cool, I like that. Okay, well that's rocket setting. It just went up.
Low battery. Return to home promptly.
Now